I'm trying to open my new fridge freezer. Tried these, taken too long. Now we're on the bread knife. I'm sure there must be a knack to this, but I don't know what that knack is. Ooh, that's it, Joe. Break the washing machine. Oh, God. Come on. Oh, must be a knack to this. Is there though? Do I just yank it? Ooh. Feels very light as well. I hope it's the right one because I'm ruining the packaging. I give up. I'm going to let Luke do it when he gets home, I think. Just getting that little bit off was a pain in the bum. I'll leave it for Luke. I'll let him do it when he gets in. What a nightmare. That's all the stuff that's going in there. That's rubbish. That's all the stuff out my fridge. That's got to go back in there. But I need to walk the dogs. So let's do that. Did it. I did it. I did the fridge. I managed to get it out of the box. And I've been food shopping to put some stuff in it. Hello, who am I talking to? Who am I talking to? Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Dottie says hello. Oh, and Buddy, here comes Buddy. Oh, hello, Buddy. Say hello, Buddy. Say hello, Buddy. Oh, God. I think it's time to take these Mutleys out. Is it time? Is it time to go out? Is it? Where should we go? I've just asked Alexa what the weather is doing. And it's fine for the rest of today, but tomorrow we've got a weather warning for thunderstorms from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. all day tomorrow. All day tomorrow, thunderstorms. What do I smell of? Oh, there's a few dogs where I work. There's a lady that's got a new puppy golden retriever. I love those. And I've never seen a puppy one before until today. Went and had a little, well, I sort of stroked it. It was playing with its big sister. She was playing with her big sister, I should say. They're both girls. So wasn't interested in me at all. Was being kept busy by her big sister. Yes, she was. Yes, she was. Right, I'm going to take these two out. But anyway, just to say, thank you. Just to say, I've done the fridge freezer, but it's a lot smaller than our other one. It's like mini size. Our last one filled that gap, and we've got a few inches either side of that one. And there's one or maybe two drawers less in the freezer. And I've just done a little mini shop, and it's basically filled it up. And Luke's going shopping today, so I might need to ring him to say, don't buy too much for the fridge, because it's a mini fridge. I think he thought it was going to be a bit bigger, or we thought it was going to be a bit bigger. I don't know what time he was shopping, actually. Don't know if it's worth ringing him. I'll check. If he's already done it, then we'll just have to eat loads of food tonight. Ah, what a shame. Right, I'm going to sort these pups out. Time for a little dance. It's Friday after all. Hello.
Hello, you're on.
I'm good. How are you?
Ooh!
You alright? Morning. Hi. We're going to feed the birds. Are we going to feed the birds? We are. We're going to go and feed the birds. Some of this. About half a bag of that. their favourite thing ever. Some mealworms in there. Mixy. Let's take it out. Luke, come and look out here.
Pandemonium.
I'm like the bird woman. Oh, I can have a row. There they go. So we've had a good morning. Just boiling some eggs. That's what that noise is. Let's plonk you somewhere. I'm being quiet because on the wonk there a little bit. Hang on. How can I put you? There's loads of plants in my front room. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, I've got to be quiet because Luke's gone back to bed for a bit. I'm just going to have some boiled eggs. Make a nice green tea. No change there then. So let me put my mic on actually. Where is it? 1 second. Found it. Walk around the house with my camera all the time and then don't know where the rest of the bits are. So let's put this on. Nope, that one. Bzz, bzz. Wait for the buzz. That should be. There we go. That should be linked on now. Yeah, so just got back from walking the dogs up the downs. Really nice way to start the day. We had a huge clap of thunder last night. Oh, my eggs are done. Alexa, stop. Take 2 of them out because 2 are for the dogs. That one. And that one. The rest are for me. Ooh. Smoke screen. Yes, right. So, been up the downs, just having some eggs, gonna have a cup of tea. And then after that, I don't know. Don't know what the plan is for today. The weather's not bad. It's meant to be cloudy and sunny, not too hot. Don't know what to do today. Yeah, we had a huge clap of thunder last night. It scared the bejesus out of us. I was literally like, it went right through me. It set my adrenaline off. And then I went and stood by the window and waited for the rest of the storm. That was it. Just one big clap of thunder. And then that was it. We had lots of heavy rain though. I did get a video of the heavy rain. But yeah, very, very odd. Just one big massive clap of thunder. Lots of heavy rain, but not much of a storm. But it did scare the life out of us. All the neighbours came out to have a look at what was going on. And now we have a nice, clear, blue, sunny sky. So we went up the downs and made the most of it. But now I've got to decide what to do for the rest of the day. No plans. Could go and see the mother. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see what happens. I'm going to go and eat my eggs and drink my tea, and then we'll decide later. I think I'm going to paint. I think I might paint today. But first, look. I love that picture. But first, I need to decide what I'm going to paint. The last painting I did, I'll get it and show you. This is the last one I did. I had a black cat called Boise. That was him. I rescued him when he was 16. And we lost him when he was 24 or 25. He got really old. That was my cat. But that's the last painting I did. So now I need to decide what to paint next. And that was ages ago. That was probably lockdown, so probably 4 years ago. Probably 4 years ago. So I haven't painted in a very long time. So I need to decide what to do. Let's have a look. Easy outlines of Dalmatian picture. Let's see what comes up. How to draw a Dalmatian puppy. Got some. Don't know if you can see that or not. I'll just do an outline, like a silhouette. Ooh, let's see. Oh, I tell you what would look good. If I did this. If I did spotty Dalmatian print all over the canvas. And then do 2 silhouettes of them and just colour them in black. So 2 black Dalmatian shaped dogs on spotty background. That would look good. Just a black and white picture. Ooh. Let's keep looking. Ooh. I wish I was better at drawing. I get good ideas, but actually doing them is difficult if you're not fabulous at drawing. This one looks a bit easier. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I don't do Dalmatians. Maybe I do something totally different. Maybe seabed pictures. Oh, see what comes up. Let's go into images. Coral. Let's look at coral. See, some of that looks cool. Could do coral with fish. Fish are probably easier to draw than dogs. Oh, it's so hard. I went and bought canvas last week because when I was on my week off, I had the urge to paint. So I went and bought myself the canvas, and I still haven't done the painting because I don't know what to do. So I need to decide what to paint. It needs to be simple and easy because I'm not that great at it, but I do it for fun, and that's all that matters. So I don't know whether to do black dogs and then spots around the outside, or do the patches on the dogs as well. But then it won't be a silhouette. Let's see. Oh, that was Buddy. What do we think? Would it be a bit boring though, just black and white? I could do the spots in colours, I suppose. But then it would just look like two black Labradors. You would give her a pink collar. But you're going to be able to tell it's them without spots on. I suppose that's the whole point in the silhouette, is they're black. I quite like this idea. Unless I give them spots, maybe. Fish, not so easy. Octopus, definitely not easy.